With version 3.2 of Stella, we've improved the way that unit suggestion work. I'm going to start with the model in what's called Suggest View, and when I do that and I put down a stock, call it Workers, as soon as I click off that stock, or if I were to click on another tool, a little pop-up will come up asking me for units, type people. Now I'm going to add a flow. I will call this attrition. And if we have attrition, then there's a time over which that occurs. Call it average tenure. And I connect that up to attrition, and then I also connect the stock into attrition. When I do that, I'm requested an equation. I'll do workers over average tenure. If I then look at the equation for average tenure, I will see that it has units months, which have been filled in automatically because of the way I've connected this. Now this works not only in Suggest View, but also in Model View. If I were to go here, rearrange the diagram a little bit, add another stock, say this is firing, and add a fire rate. When I do that, of course, I need to fill in the equations. I'll do firing as workers times the fire rate and set the fire rate to 0.05. And if I ask for the suggested units of that, it will tell me per month, since it can figure that out based on the equation for firing. So that's the improvement we've made to unit suggestion in Stella 3.2.